Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. The Honorable Miss Fabi. Uh, Today, in this video, I wanted to presentation about my academic article. First of all, for disclaimer, the title I take on this assessment has little to do with my project-based learning. So what I am emphasizing here is the method applied to my project-based learning, including how do we create the cycles that use for manufacture of development of information systems, including how that I am to resolve the problem effectively. This is also useful in the two-dimension part on the project-based learning, so that we can more easily convey the instance of user interface display in the game to the audience, so that's easier to understand. Okay, we back to the presentation. The title on this academic article is Developing Learning Material for Animation 2D Instruction in Vocational High School. The article was created by Septian Reno Widianto, Rahmatia, and B. Sukron. Okay, next is scholarly highlights. The development of this digital age is presently generating a new learning pattern. The study's conclusion and the interactive multimedia application was created utilizing the multimedia development life cycle approach. And this application were development-based adaptation of the key 13 syllabus for 2D animation lessons. Scholar summary. 1 is introduction, 2 is objective, 3 method, 4 results, 5 conclusion, and 6 contribution. The first is introduction. The development of digital age is presently generating a new learning pattern, which is occurring in the sphere of education. The instructions are driving factor behind the digital learning. This indicated that teachers have the necessary abilities and are familiar with the use digital-based media to research. Objective. Varies from the interactive multimedia learning media have been developed to aid teachers and students so in the learning process at vocational high school level. Method. Multimedia is a combination of diverse media or file formats in the form of text, vector or bitmap image, graphic, sounds, animation, video, and interaction that have been bundled into a digital computer files and used to communicate with the public. Result. Part of this concept of interactive multimedia is presenting learning material for interactive media in vocational high school. The fundamental notion of interactive media design emphasizes simplicity. The concept of simplicity is applied to content that is not overly complicated, brief, straightforward, intuitive, and complete in the order to pique student interest. Conclusion. The study of conclusion is the interactive multimedia application for 2D animations. Lessons we have been effectively developed in order to help teachers with teaching activities. Application were developed based on the adaptation of key 13 syllabus for 2D animations lessons. The interactive multimedia application was created utilizing the multimedia development life cycles approach, and after undergoing the application functionally the testing stage using black box testing, it was determined that the app was functioning properly and meeting the needs of the user analysis. The study's conclusion is that interactive multimedia application for 2D animation lessons have been effectively developed in order to help teacher with teaching activity. Okay, that's all about my presentations. Thanks for your attentions and see you next time.